Welcome back to Knowledge Hub. What are constellations? There are a few different definitions of constellations, but many people think of constellations as a group of stars. Often, it's a group of stars that looks like a particular shape in the sky and has been given a name. These stars are far away from Earth. They are not connected to each other at all. Some stars in a constellation might be close while others are very far away. But, if you were to draw lines in the sky between the stars like a dot-to-dot puzzle, and use lots of imagination, the picture would look like an object, animal, or person. Over time, cultures around the world have had different names and numbers of constellations depending on what people thought they saw. Today, there are 88 officially recognized constellations. What constellations can you see in the night sky? The constellations you can see at night depend on the time of year. Earth orbits around the Sun once each year. Our view into space through the night sky changes as we orbit. So, the night sky looks slightly different each night because Earth is in a different spot in its orbit. The stars appear each night to move slightly west of where they were the night before. Your location on Earth also determines what stars and constellations you see, and how high they appear to rise in the sky. The northern hemisphere is always pointing in a different direction than the southern hemisphere. This means that stargazers in Australia, for example, get a slightly different view of the sky and can see a few different constellations than those in the United States. For example, say you're in the northern hemisphere looking into the night sky on September 21st. You'll probably be able to see the constellation Pisces. But you won't see Virgo because that constellation is on the other side of the Sun. During that time of year, Virgo stars would only be visible during the daytime, but you'd never see them because of the brightness of our Sun. What's the difference between astrology and astronomy? Astronomy is the scientific study of everything in outer space. Astronomers and other scientists study stars and galaxies, most of which are many light years away from Earth. Studying the scientific properties of these objects in space helps us to understand how the universe was made, what else is out there, and how we fit in. Astrology is not the same thing as astronomy. As a science, astronomy follows the scientific process involving evidence and data. Astrology is based on the belief that the location of certain stars and planets in the sky can predict the future or describe what a person is like. While astrology is important to some cultural traditions, its claims are not based on scientific evidence. Known stars, such as those in well-known constellations, can also be used to navigate. For centuries, sailors used stars to determine their location when out at sea. This is called celestial navigation. NASA astronauts have also trained to use celestial navigation as a backup in case modern navigation systems have trouble. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. Stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new content. Thanks again for watching.